If you've been searching online for what the heck there is to do in Wilmington, North Carolina, stay tuned. This video is all about Wilmington's brand new state-of-the-art Riverfront Park Amphitheater opening up this July right on the Cape Fear River. This channel is entirely dedicated to Wilmington, North Carolina and the surrounding areas, what the heck there is to do, where to eat, what the lifestyle is, where there's crime, where there's good places to live, where you should send your kids to school. So if you're looking for information about the Wilmington area or the surrounding areas, please hit that subscribe button now. Give us a like if you like this video, if you enjoyed the content, and hit that bell. That way you're notified every single time that we upload a video just like this. That way you don't miss anything. Helps us out a lot. We love to bring great content to you guys. So I want to talk about a topic today that I'm very, very excited about. Me and Lexi are extremely excited about this. That is the brand new state-of-the-art Riverfront Park Amphitheater in the historic Wilmington downtown, right on the Cape Fear River, on the Riverwalk on the north end of the downtown. Super excited about this. It's been in the works for several years now. We've been seeing it kind of progress, and there's actually a soft opening scheduled for July 16th, 2021. So just around the corner. Widespread Panic is going to be playing 3 days. The amphitheater is 7,200 seats. Part of that is seating. They also have lawn seating. Like I said, it's based directly on the Cape Fear River, so it has this gorgeous view of the river. And there's all kinds of amazing construction going on all around this facility. Brand new luxury apartments, restaurants. There's talk of a grocery store going really close next door. There's going to be a gateway project for the north end of the historical downtown that's in the works. A lot of really exciting stuff happening. And if you've ever been to Wilmington, North Carolina, and you've seen the city from across the river from the Leland side, this is really going to be a prominent part of the skyline of Wilmington for a very long time on the north end of the skyline. It's got a very prominent spot right there on the Riverwalk, like I said. It's going to be an amazing facility. So there's going to be, like I said, ran by Live Nation. They're going to be doing about 20 shows a year there, bigger concerts than what Wilmington normally attracts. So we're all very excited about that. I cannot believe the growth of the city that since I've been here. I think this is going to be a great addition. Like I said, one of the cons to me and Lexi has always been that there was kind of a little bit smaller attractions as far as concerts and sporting events and things like that, because Wilmington's just a smaller town than where I come from. But this is definitely going to bump it up a little bit. So we're really excited to see what's going to be on the horizon for these kind of shows over there at the new amphitheater. They also built this really smart. Like I said, it's right there on the river. It's built like a big park. So it has a lawn, it has trails. It's going to have a playground for the kids with a water feature. So it's really going to be a usable part of the downtown for a long time for the residents and visitors. And like I said, we're just really excited to see this come together. It's just going to be a great addition here in Wilmington and things to do. Already an amazing tourist town, amazing destination, but this is just going to be one more thing, one more feather in the cap of Wilmington, I think. So moving forward, I want to show you a little bit of this video. So as you can see right here, this is walking down the Riverwalk, and as you can see to the right, that is the new amphitheater. You can see a little bit of the lawn seating. They're still under construction. We're still about a month away from the soft opening. Cannot believe how fast they brought this thing along, but pretty amazing. And like I said, Live Nation is going to be the one that's going to be running this amphitheater. They also manage the Greenfield Lake Amphitheater, which is to the south end of the downtown area. And then we did a video, actually, if you are interested, and I'll add that towards the end, so the link to that so you can see that. But very different feel. The Greenfield Lake Amphitheater, much smaller venue, open seating, right there on the lake, bunch of cypress trees. It very much feels like you're in the bayou when you're at that venue. And it really doesn't have the capacity to bring some of these bigger names. So that's why we're really excited to see this new venue coming in. It's going to be bringing some of those larger acts to town. So I hope that this was really interesting to someone else besides just me. I'm very excited to see this come into town. I think anybody who's moving to the area, this is going to be a great thing to have here. If you guys are thinking about making the move to here, to the Wilmington area, the surrounding area, you have questions, concerns, you just want some information, feel free to reach out. Go ahead and send me an email. Go ahead and give me a phone call, send me a carrier pigeon, however you do it. But reach out to me. I'd love to help you out, answer any questions you might have. Talk to you soon.